Hi, we have created BCD to 7 segment decoder and 7 segment counter previously, but both of these decoder and counter display the same number on all 4 digits. What if we want to display 4 different numbers on different digits? Let's say I want to display 1486 like that. To achieve that, we need to send the data at 1 millisecond to 16 milliseconds. Within that time, we need to send the data one by one. That is, we have to send the data to digit 1 and then after 1 millisecond to digit 2, then digit 3, digit 4. So whatever the data you are going to send, that would be sent within the time limit of 1 millisecond to 16 milliseconds, so that you don't see any flickering on that 7 segment displays, because all the segments were shared by all 4 digits. So you have to do this refresh rating technique. Let's create a new project for that. So in this new project, we will be having a 16 bits of BCD. Instead of in BCD to 7 segment decoder, we have only 4 digits of binary BCD input, and that will be displayed on all 4 digits of 7 segment display. In this new experiment, we will be having a 16 bits of BCD from slide switch. Each of 4 bits will display one digit. Let's quickly go on and create a new project. So I named this project as a BCD 16 to 7 segment. New project, new source with the BCD 16 to 7 segment. So 16. Finish. Input will be of clock, and switch will be of 15 down to 0. Then we will be having a digit of 7 segment. So it is of output. So we have 4 digits, so 3 down to 0, and again that 7 segment part, 1 underscore segment without, then 7 down to 0. Okay, fine. So we have that input output ports were added. Now we simply copy that 7 segment code first into this design. So this is the 7 segment counter code, which counts from 0 to 9. So in this code, we will have instead of copying that complete code, we copy that internal parts from signal to that process. Okay. The thing is that we are not going to activate the digits at the same time like 111. we are simply going to activate one by one and send the data. So this one we remove this part first. Then we have the count that count up to 50 into 10 power 6. That is, every 1 second this count will trigger that BCD value to 7 segment. But we want to name it as refresh underscore count and make it to 50 into 10 power 3. So this will give us that counting range of 1 millisecond. Whenever it reaches that 50 into 10 power 3, this count will reach that 1 millisecond. So we want to achieve that refresh rate of 1 millisecond to 16 millisecond. So we have that refresh count. Whenever it reaches that 50 to 10 power 3, that is 1 millisecond, then we have to send some data. Remove this part and we have to write. So that there should be another counter that we can declare signal. This should be digit count with std underscore logic underscore vector of 1 down to 0. So this counter will be helpful in switching that digits. Let's see that digit count. Initially we increment the digit count. Digit count plus 1. Next we have to write a case statement. That case digit count is when the digit count is of 0 0, then we have to activate that digit, that first digit 0001. In the meantime, we have to pass that switch data to BCD input. Switch data is switch off that 15 down to 12, that last 4 bits. Then we will be having that same logic when for all 4 digits. Here 0001 01, this should be digit should be shifted to second digit, and this is in the range of 11 down to 8. Then we have a 10, then it should be 0100 with the range of 7 down to 4. Then when it is 11, then we have that fourth digit enable with 3 down to 0. Right. So we have all these conditions. Then we have when others. In others, then we have to disable all the 4 digits with 0000. semicolon. Then we can end the case, right? So we have all the logics implemented. So here it is displaying because we are using plus operator for standard logic vector. This can be done only if we are declaring that library IEEE of unsigned. So you have to declare this library to support that plus operator on standard logic vector. Now we can we have the design done. So let me explain. So every 1 millisecond it reaches, it reset that count, refresh count, but it quickly move on to digit count. That digit count will first activate that first digit and display that switch data to BCD. So BCD automatically go to this BCD process and corresponding 7 segment value will be displayed. The same way next it move on to 01. When on 01 digit 2 will be activated and switches 4 switches will be sent to BCD. The same way third digit and then fourth digit. So everything will be done in a 1 millisecond with 1 millisecond that overall within 4 milliseconds this entire operation will be done. So we are achieving that that it should be in the refresh rate of 1 millisecond to 16 milliseconds. So we are doing it in 4 milliseconds. Now let's create a constraint for this. BCD 16_7 segment. Finish. So I copy paste that existing constraint which was created. So there is no reset on this code. I remove that reset part. Then we have a clock should be in lowercase. Name it as a clock CLK and do the generate bit string. It start synthesizing. Let's view that RTL analysis of the schematics created. So here is that schematics that was created. You can see that refresh counter that we have, right, 50 into 10 power 3 that has some constant value in binary value. So it is creating some count with mux logic. Then we have some increment addition operation we are doing. The same way we have a digit increment also it is implementing here. Then we have another BCD, 4 inputs of BCD as well as digits that we have that was implemented through muxes and registers. And then we have RTL ROM. So this is the RTL schematics of the design we have created. Quickly let's connect the kit and do the programming. Okay, first turn on the kit, open hardware, auto detect, program FPGA, program done. You can see that all 4 segments were displaying 0, 0, 0, 0 because all the switches are 0. Let's toggle the first switch 1 with 1. So if I make 3 switches high, 7 is displaying on first segment. Then if I make that fourth switch on, it won't display anything because it will display up to 9, 0 to 9 BCD. So we have to disable that part. So it is displaying 9. Similarly, I am displaying with another 4 switch with 9. Let's say, so 9 or whatever the data you want, you can display. Another 4 switch with different datas. So whatever the data you want, you can display. See that last 4 switches are displaying 8, then 0117, then 00011, 1, then 1009, 19. So next thing would be, we combine all that multiplier part and then binary to BCD part and then BCD to 7 segment part, and display that multiplier output on 7 segment.